up, YouTube? It's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Style, back with another video. And on today's video, I'm gonna be putting this LED bow tie on the front of my mesh grill. Now, as y'all can see, it's black, but it didn't come this way. When I ordered it, it was actually chrome. And I just painted it black. But besides that, we're gonna go out here to this truck here. We're gonna take this grill off. So I'm gonna be showing y'all how to put this emblem on your Tahoe. Cause I guess they don't make them for the third gens. So stay tuned, watch the video, and drop me a like. And I'm gonna show y'all how we gonna do this here. Let's go. All right, YouTube, as you can see, we done went ahead and unbolted this grill. Next, what we gonna do is just carefully take it out. I done took the grill off. I'm gonna mark it up and kind of show you guys basically the look that I'm going for. So as y'all can see, I want it to look somewhat like this. And actually, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be using to actually lock it in place. I had a couple of ideas in mind. Like I was gonna use like a big washer and a nice little, screw or something, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and goop it down to the grill. Based on just because, they didn't have any tabs or nothing at the back. Now, as far as the back, as y'all can see, well, actually, I broke some tabs off so it can actually be able to fit through the grill. And these little tabs, they're actually not that long, so they really don't come through the whole back. But anyway, I'm gonna be filling up these little holes to try to save the LED light from shorting out or something like that whenever water get behind the grill. So I'm gonna be using this flowable silicone. You can pick this up at like your local O'Reilly's or AutoZone, any place like that. But yeah. So what you want to do is just fill in each one of these little holes. You want to just seal those up nice and tight. And even I'm gonna put a bead around here as well. All right, YouTube, as y'all can see, I done put my silicone around the trimmer. I done filled up these holes as well. So we gonna get about a good 5-10 minutes to set. And I'll come back to y'all. I just wanted to flip the grill over to kind of show y'all where I kind of place my glue at. And I put the goop pretty much around the little trimmer. And I filled it up right here. And I put a little bit behind that as well. I don't know if y'all can see it. And man, it's been out here drying for like a couple of hours. It's pretty solid. I'll flip it over and kind of show y'all how it's looking. All right, YouTube. Now I'm gonna flip it over. That's how she looking. Nice and solid. As y'all can see, I did have a little nick right here. And a little drip of goop right there. But I'm gonna get some goop going. Well, I already have it. I'm just gonna put it on there before I actually put it back on there. And I might just spray some paint on the Q-tip and just go over that a couple of times. But besides that, she's coming along pretty good. So I might just let it dry for like another hour or two. And we're gonna put it back on the truck, you guys. Shouts out to my daughter. I'm having some black fingernail polish. Yeah, I just used a little bit of that and just touched it up. But I'm about to take this little spot right here, get this little glue off. Alright, YouTube, I'm out here just unscrewing this headlight so I can actually see where I'm gonna be placing my wire. And me personally, I'm gonna run them to my my actual headlight bulbs. So only time it's gonna illuminate is when my headlights are on. Well, y'all on the other end, y'all can run it, you know, to your daytime bulb, however y'all run it, but that's how I'm gonna do it. So give me a second, let me pull this here headlight out. All right, YouTube, as y'all can see, I done got it all situated. I'm gonna give y'all a little preview of how it's gonna look. I actually ran it to my headlights instead of the daytime running lights. So this how it look. As y'all can see, that's my daytime running lights. And at nighttime, this how it look. Yes, sir. What do y'all think? If y'all like that, y'all jump down in the comments. Make sure you leave me a comment, subscribe to the page, share this video. It's your boy, Big Smurf from the Wolf Stop.